In this video tutorial, you will see how you can add the IndexNow feature to your WordPress website in just two easy beginner steps. So the first step is to install the plugin. Once you are into WordPress dashboard, go to plugins, click on add new, look for the plugin name IndexNow, and you will automatically get this plugin name IndexNow plugin by Microsoft Bing. So because I have already installed this plugin on my WordPress website, I just click on activate. Once the plugin is activated, the second step is to go into settings and go to IndexNow. Once you are on this page, you will see a button named Let's Get Started. Click on the Let's Get Started, and that's it. You don't need to do any other thing, and it's a free plugin. You have successfully added the IndexNow to your WordPress website. So this way, whenever new content is published or you make any updates in the existing content, search engines will get to know about content changes, and this IndexNow plugin will ping the search engines for any changes. So this will help you rank in SEO and rank your website's new content faster in the search engine results page. Hope you like this video. Consider subscribing this channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates about upcoming videos. Till then, thank you.